guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and today I want to share with you what came today in my parcel, and loads of goodies in there. Already opened this, so loads of goodies from the same thing actually. It's an ideal shape, and then it's a mask for face, and then it's omega gummies, and then it's a new perfume as well. So all of these came today in my parcel. So which one to start first with? Shall we start with Ideal Shape? Ideal Shape is natural supplement. It's all natural ingredients in it to help you slim down, and it's got amazing results after about 2 weeks, sometimes even 1 week. It's got all natural ingredients like L-Carnitine, then powdered barley grass, Ceylon Cinnamon bark extract, Zinc, vitamin B6 and Chromium, right? So these ingredients are helping to slim you down, feel more energy, less stress, less fatigue, right? For example, L-Carnitine and Chromium, they help you to convert fat in the body into energy, so you've got more energy throughout the day, which is amazing because loads of people suffer with lack of energy these days, right? And then zinc and vitamin B6 is anti-inflammatory, and that's very good as well, like, you know, for you to feel much better. And then Ceylon Cinnamon bark extract is amazing if you going to sleep, you're still burning fat. So you're basically burning fat in sleep state, in normal state, like you don't have to do much and you're still burning fat, and it's all natural ingredients. You will feel amazing while you're taking it. Yeah, just amazing stuff. This, if you want to slim down, it's amazing stuff, guys. So it's all natural as well. I'm taking it myself, so it's all good. If you want more info about it, just look in my description box and pop me a message and I'll help you with this, or if you want to try this. Then we've got these gummies, which are amazing for let me read it for you, for cholesterol. It's omega, yeah, omega gummies. It says here, helps maintain the correct level of cholesterol in the blood. Yeah. The beneficial effect is reported with 2 grams of ALA per day. Yeah. So if you want to have healthy cholesterol, healthy blood, that's also very healthy, very good for you. That's a gummies inside. Didn't open these ones yet. I'm the one who's gonna eat them, so I can open them. So gummies, which looks like, I'm actually opening this first time. I think I need something stronger for this, like that. Okay, it's done. Yeah, so it's gummies like that. Okay. Ooh, it's little bears in there. Oh, it's lots of different shapes. So I got a bear. Okay, it's my bear. I think it says once a day, so this is my one a day. It says once a day, is it? Yeah, one gummy once a day. What is that? I think it's for, let me see, it's vegan friendly, I think. Yeah, it's for all family, for kids, for plus, vegan friendly, all natural ingredients. There is something like pick gelatin free, I think it says. Yeah, gelatin free, and under 3 grams of sugar. Okay, so this is really healthy stuff, guys, as well. If you want healthy cholesterol in your blood. Then, as you know, guys, I love fragrances. So that's a new fragrances. Look at that. Put this down, this box, so I don't have to hold it. So look at this. This is new fragrance. Already opened it and smelled it. It's amazing. It's inspired by, so the number is 973. Okay, you can see there and also there. So it's inspired by Frank Boclet cocaine, and it's very nice, strong, sexy, and sweet and floral, I would say. So people love it, they absolutely love it, and everybody loves it. And it comes in a bottle like this. Okay, it's beautiful green label with gold. It's beautiful for present as well. Comes in these packaging. It's quite nice. It's very nice. It's a new release in Federico Mahora. They released unisex fragrances with the green label. That's a new thing, just recently, with the gold top. I absolutely love this gold top and the green label. It's amazing. I'll show you the spray. It sprays like crazy, right? So this fragrance has got in it, oh, let me remember, vanilla patchouli. That's at the bottom. That's like you know, when it completely evaporates. I don't know why I started from the bottom. But anyway, so I know there is vanilla patchouli. It's very sweet. And then there is orange, there's berries, there's, okay, I'll put the note there, I think, because I forgot now. I've read it before and I just completely forgot, but it's amazing, it's beautiful. I just wanted to show you this beautiful design. I love this design. Yeah, so this is new design with the gold top. Okay, so that's that. And then we've got mask. We've got the mask here. So this mask is green inside. I've got already one which I'm using, and this one looks like this. Okay, there's loads of written about this mask that I haven't actually read, but it's got loads of things in it, loads of good things in it actually. So it's a green rejuvenating mask, treatment face mask, and it's carefully designed to carefully clean your skin, make it look fresh and radiant. Precise application allows you to apply the mask on selected parts of the face. The product formula was enriched with natural kaolin and green clay, which have smoothing and regenerating properties due to high content of microelements green clay. I need the glasses. Clearly, green clay provides minerals and elements necessary for radiant complexion by absorbing toxins. This so you apply it on the clean and dry skin, leave it for 5 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. And that's it, done. And it actually feels amazing when I have it on. So that's all. That's all my little haul. Thank you guys for watching. I haven't been on YouTube for ages, so I hope you enjoyed this little video, and let me know what you think in comments about these green bottles, this magic, and if you would like to try, or you have any questions about this ideal shape. It's amazing. I'll try maybe to post some results with this. it's good stuff. It's all natural, but that's what I like about it, and it makes me feel really good. So yes guys, so thank you. Leave in comments your questions, give me a like if you like this video, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.